game. So, Santa Jolens episode, para sa mga ngayon lang naka-tune in, kasi sa mga fans ni Royce, Maris, and EJ na ngayon lang naka-tune in sa sa Amo ng Kwentang Podcast. Yung Santa Jolens episode namin, nagbabasa kami ng isang letter from Akaeme na sinend nila via our Facebook group or via our Google form. So, kung gusto nyo mag-send ng mga sarili nyong letters, kapag love-related kay Santa Jolens, kapag sex-related kay Santa Angge, kapag career kay Santa Lina, at kapag ACADS-related, Santa Yani.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually,
Okay, so
parang
ito,
first time ata nakuha tayo sa Facebook group.
first time, yes. Oo. Kasi naghanap talaga kami, kasi nga, yung Marupok AF, hindi ko na naman masabi. Rated R18. Wait lang, July 10. Final na ba yan? Kasi
Di ba parang dapat June siya eh.
Final na.
urong sulong. Oo, June eh.
True.
Nag-schedule na kami dapat ng block screening
Totoo.
So, final na yung July 10, exclusive sa Ayala Cinemas. So, mamaya pag-usapan natin yung yung pelikula nila. Pero related yun sa letter natin kasi yung pelikula nila about catfishing. So, yung letter natin, catfishing din.
Yes.
Okay, go.
Okay, ito na si anonymous participant. Pinost niya to nung April 25. Hi po. I need your advice mga ka-eme. Santa Jolens, dinggin mo ang aking hinaing. Hinaing. I am F18 in a 7-month relationship po with M21. So 18 years, estudyante nga, 18 years old.
Female 18, male 21 years old. Di umano.
Di tayo sure.
Di umano. Okay.
Di umano.
We met online and we talked via Telegram.
Ay nako, kapag Telegram talaga. Red
Correct.
flag. Red
Talaga ba?
flag. Yes.
May na-meet kayo sa Telegram?
Kapag
Bakit?
nag-start yung conversation niyo sa Telegram, red flag.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Parang
Alam mo to. Alam
Gusto
mo.
lang nila sabihin.
Uy, Maris talaga. Iba talaga dyan sa Malamonte. Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Tangin.
Trip lang.
Masarap.
Okay, sige.
Hindi kasi, parang, mabilis mag-unsend, mabilis
True,
mag-delete, ganon. So,
Ah.
no traces talaga.
Oo.
Okay.
Kapag
sige,
hindi
sige,
tulad sa
sige,
Viber,
okay.
na kapag nag-delete ka, makikita and send a message, ganyan.
Oo.
Okay.
Oh my God, sa Telegram ba hindi?
So,
Pag
pwede ka
in-unsend
nang
mo, oo
mag-delete
nga,
din ng mga
naglalaho.
ng mga kapag galit
Oo nga
ka,
pala.
tapos biglang nahimasmasan
Oo
ka
nga.
na, buhay mo na uli, ganyan.
Oo.
Sa Facebook din, nakikita na unsend.
Oo.
Sa
Oo.
Facebook,
Sa Facebook.
actually.
Yes.
Facebook Messenger. Okay, sige. Anyway, go.
So we met online and we talked via Telegram. We haven't really met in person despite being in the same university. Saan kaya to? I want to, but lagi pong nagkakasalisi. Lagi pong nagkakasalisi free time namin and academic schedules since we are from different programs. He promised me to meet me but every time na lang nagkakaroon siya ng emergency or sudden ganap sa buhay. A few of these instances are, naglista siya, 99 to.
Ay, taray.
Parang 99. Oo. Number
Hindi pa
1.
ginawang 100. Ito naman, nahiya pa.
Number 1. He got dengue and was forced to go home and leave his dormitory. Okay. His hometown and our university are 1 to 2 hours away from each other. Number 2. When he got better, he had to stay with his family to solve and face a family problem. Grabe, problemado naman pala eh.
Oh.
Number 3 na.
Yung mukha ni Maris puntang Soko investigador eh. Yung mukha niya
Take
talaga.
notes.
Nakikinig talaga. Nagtitake notes siya eh. Para humanda kayo dito. Kikinig siya niya eh. Okay.
Tapos si
sorry,
Angel
sorry.
para napapahawak
Pasensya,
na lang
oo.
sa noo, ganyan.
Oo eh.
nakakaloka eh. Number 2 pa lang.
Number 2 pa lang yun.
Oo.
Number 3. When number 2 was resolved, his mother was hospitalized.
Wait lang. Sorry po. Ano yung number 2?
When he got better, he had to stay with his family to solve and face a family problem. Okay na po ba yun?
Yes. Go on.
Okay, nag-clarify.
Okay,
Sige, okay lang.
Number 3.
Okay.
Yun nga, when number 2 was resolved, his mother was hospitalized and he was the only one who was able to take care of his mother. Mapagmahal naman pala sa nanay eh.
Pagmahal.
Yes,
Uy, pero alam nyo,
yeah.
laging ano yan, isa yan sa mga tawag dito, susi ng pag-alam kung catfish.
Yung alin?
Kapag sinabi niya may nagkakasakit. Pag may nagkakasakit na sa pamilya,
Oo.
pag magkikita kayo tapos
Totoo
biglang may
ba?
nagkasakit. Oo.
Pero kapag may namatay,
Usually
totoo
same
yun.
day. Talaga ba? Hindi ko
Parang
alam.
hirap naman kasi i-joke
Hindi na
yung may
natin
namatay,
nga,
di ba?
yun.
Hoy, hindi natin
Totoo.
alam sa panahon ngayon. Hindi natin alam sa panahon ngayon.
Hindi na niniwala. Parang
Huwag
hindi
masyado
naniniwala si
magpaniwala.
Maris sa atin. Totoo siya dun sa...
Studios yan eh.
Ah.
Oo.
Number 4. After his mother was discharged and eventually got better, he went back to his dormitory. However, both of us did not find the time to meet since we have our respective academic responsibilities. He had to catch up with lessons and missed exams while I had major exams to study for. Hinihingalaw kapag buong
Oo.
English yung binabasa ko pala. Throughout this, I saw yet deep down understood his priorities. Pero still, I cannot take away the, if he wanted to, he would. Saying because I would have made time to see him if I were in his shoes. I resorted to the
Yes.
belief that even if he wanted to, he can't because sometimes that's the mere reality of the fast-paced life of a university student. He kept on promising, and in turn, I kept on believing and trusting him. Last night, so April 24 to, we were supposed to meet and go to a fair together within the university. Yet he told me that the tickets he purchased did not go through and we were left empty-handed. I did not talk to him all day, but when I got back from classes, I broke down. I actually wished he looked for ways to avail tickets. Example, from those who are selling their tickets. I also expected na kahit hindi na kami umattend ng fair, he could have at least took the time to see me na. The emotional pain eventually manifested throughout my body.
Throughout my body.
It turned to anger, but I
Chocolatey body? Ano ba?
Nagka-hives, rashes, gano'n.
baka
Nag-alat
nagka-rashes. Or alipunga, ganyan. It turned to anger, but I am
An-an.
Di matapos. It turned to anger, but I am someone who cannot remain angry or let anger foster in my heart. I forgave him, but the pain drew me away from him. I sent him a 3-day ultimatum. If hindi pa niya ako kitain within the 3 days, it's over for us. Taray, 5-6. May ultimatum. I am currently not...
Importante.
Ha? Ano?
Importante yung ultimatum.
Oo.
Totoo.
Yeah. I think
Totoo.
pagdating dyan sa part na yan, nasa number, ilan na yan, feeling ko, yeah. Diba?
Oo,
Parang
importante.
nararamdaman ko atat na si ate. Ano ba yun?
Tsaka
Parang-
nag-manifest
Pero for
sa
sure,
body
diba?
yung emotional pain, di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Pero for sure, yung ultimatum na yan, after 3 days, hindi rin niya susundin. Bigyan niya ng isa pang ultimatum. Ganun naman.
Kapag,
Ganun naman. Pag baliw-baliw.
Yeah.
Oo.
Umabot
Hindi
na
ako
doon.
ganon. Hindi ako
hindi
ganon.
naman ikaw to eh.
Wow.
Lagot.
Sige, palakihin natin yan, Maris. Sige, palakihin natin. Ilang araw ang binigay mong ultimatum?
Ay!
Kay Rico.
Maisingit lang yung sarili.
Go.
I am currently not talking to him, but admittedly, I do miss him a lot. Marupok, AF. I love him so
Marupok,
much.
F or
AF.
18.
I love him so much, mga ka-eme.
Love agad me. gigigil ako.
I love him so much, mga ka-Eme. I am torn between giving him another chance or to walk away and move on with my life. Oh, may sabi,
PS,
Ah,
ito PS.
Did I mention that I don't know his full name? Huh?
Oh my God. Mahal na niya, pero nickname lang.
Bakit ganun? Yung reason daw, he wanted to fully introduce himself personally. Huh? Bakit NBI ba yan? Ito na last na. If you have to, please slap me with the truth, but in the kindest way possible. I am fragile and emotional right now. Mais kayo. Thank you so much, mga ka-Eme. Read. RID, yun yung name niya.
I think okay na tanungin natin yung cast ng Marupok AF kasi I'm sure inaral nila yung mga characters nila na nagdi-deal with catfishing. Ang catfisher dito, ang main catfisher si Maris.
Ano
Si
ba
Bini.
ang catfishing?
Ang catfishing, yan yung, ano ba? Kasi common knowledge na siya, di ba? Parang hirap na i-explain. Pero yung catfishing, yan yung usually nangyayari siya online and may kausap ka online, tas yun pala, iba pala yung kausap mo sa nai-imagine mo. So, parang binubudol ka talaga.
Pero
Intentionally.
bakit catfish? Bakit ganong klase
So, yan
isda
yung
yung
catfishing.
ginamit dun sa term?
Kasi yung mukha ng catfish, parang mukha talaga siya ng catfisher.
Hindi ko alam kung napanood nyo na. Napanood nyo na ba yung documentary na Catfish? Napanood na namin ni Jay.
Yes.
Pero napanood nyo ba yung documentary na Catfish? Pinapanood ba ni Quark? Actually, nabanggit na namin yung dati. So, oo, yung term na yun, nanggaling dun sa documentary. Documentary na Catfish. I think nasa ano siya?
Nasa Netflix
YouTube.
ata siya eh.
Nasa Netflix ba? So, by ano, ang gumawa nun si Nev Schulman. So, parang yun yung first na gamit ng Catfish. So, tas later on, kinuha na siya ng MTV. Gumawa sila ng series na docu-series about mga nagmi-meet online tas kina-catfish pala. So, later on, naging ano na siya. From the title of the film, naging verb na siya, na catfish. Catfishing or catfish siya as a noun. Ang sabi ng husband nung catfisher dun sa documentary, kaya niya hinalin tulad sa catfish. Kasi kapag ang catfish, nilalagay dun sa parang, diba, aquarium, kung nasan yung cod, pag siniship, hindi namamatay yung mga cod. So, parang weird nga na yun yung pinanggalingan nung term na catfish. Pero, panoorin nyo yun. Parang yun yung, refresher, or parang, maganda siyang, magandang review of related literature, yung documentary na Catfish. Kasi grabe, sobrang ibang-iba talaga yung itsura, di ba? Well, gano'n naman talaga yung mga catfish. Pero, ito sobrang, grabe talaga. Yung moment na makita mo yung itsura ng babae at yung life, as in, pinuntahan talaga niya, na-in love talaga siya, nagkaroon siya ng sexual moments, intimate moments, online. So, yun. Basta yun. Anyway. Pero, nagkaroon tayo ng, syempre, later on, ginagamit na natin siya freely. So, finally, meron ng pelikula na nagtatackle ng catfishing.
Or
So,
parang
ito,
feeling ko
ano
marami
yung
naman
masasabi
na.
niyo
Pero
sa-
sa Pilipinas parang bihira, no? Na ang topic ay catfishing.
Sa Pilipinas, totoo. Okay, sige. Anong masasabi nyo dito sa letter sender natin? Catfish ba to or hindi? Kahit di natin nakita.
Hindi, para sa akin, ano pa rin siya. Catfishing pa rin siya.
Dahil, ba't mo
Kasi-
nasabing catfish?
The fact na hindi alam yung name, usually, di ba, kung maganda yung intentions mo sa tao, papakilala ka ng maayos eh. Kahit name lang, or Instagram lang, or something na legit kang tao. Kung magpapaka-mysterious ka, fishy na yon. Super. Wag natin na-romanticize yung mysterious guy
Correct.
in 2024.
Yes.
Kasi
Yeah.
usually yan yung may mga tinatagong sketchy talaga.
So mali ba na na-in love siya kahit hindi niya alam yung full name?
Ang sa akin lang, feeling ko, ginawa siyang, hindi ko kilala yung guy pero hindi ko din alam kung like, ano yung intention niya. But ang nakita ko, na-sense nung guy na weak and desperate siya.
Mm.
So parang easy target siya. And kaya siya na in love kasi may mga tao talagang in love through mental stimulation, yung mga conversations nyo. Kahit na hindi kayo magkita, basta lang swak yung conversations nyo, yung humor nyo. Tapos meron kayong mga similarities, ganyan. Yun. Minsan, yung mga catfishers, parang mini-mirror ka lang nila.
Mini-mirror?
Parang, ito yung gusto niya. Oo, mini-mirror nila yung wants mo, yung gusto mo, yung likes mo, yung music mo. Para lang like to keep the conversation going.
Mm.
Kaya kanila nalulure sa mundo nila.
Sorry, dami palang alam sa
Ganda.
catfishing nito ni ano.
Kaya pala,
Hindi kasi
nakikinig talaga
na-experience.
kanina.